Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to locate the save game files and configuration file for the game on your Windows PC. Now for this, you need to open File Explorer on your computer, go to this PC, open the C drive. Now open the users folder. Next, open your account folder. Then open AppData. If you cannot see the AppData folder at the top, click on View. Select Show. Put a check on Hidden Items, and then you should be able to see the AppData folder. Open the AppData folder. Open the Roaming folder. And here you will find this folder. Open this folder. Open the Game folder. Open this folder. Here you will see the Saves folder, and this is where you can locate the save game files. Now, to find the config file, you can go back. Here you will see the Settings file. Double-click on it. And this is the configuration file. So this is how you can access the save game files and config file for the game. So that is all for this video.